Hey, what's up guys? This is Ray from RHRSwag showing you how to install the Putco Blade LED tailgate light bar. Today we're installing it on a Ford F150. If you were just as confused as we were reading the instructions, we're here to make it more simpler for you. Our first step is unboxing the product. As you can see, it comes very neat. Throw away the box in a designated area, such as the floor. In the box should be a 4-pin wiring harness connector with the light bar, Putcos patented installation clips for easy part removal, a few dual-lock adhesive strips, and a few Scotch locks. Our first step is removing the tailgate. Make sure you don't forget about the backup cam, and go take your tailgate somewhere else. Clean the area that you'll be putting your Putco light bar at. Make sure the area is also nice and dry. Our second step is going to be cutting the red wire with a heat shrink sleeve 3 inches from the driver box. Next step, you'll be pulling out the designated red wire from the wiring harness sleeve. Next, use your socket wrench to remove the 2 bolts from the driver's side tail lamp. Carefully disconnect your tail light as long as the wiring from the tail lamp. Also make sure not to almost drop it on the floor like we did, but it's alright, everything's okay. Next, use your electrical pliers to detach the 4-pin plug from the wiring harness, like so. Feed the yellow, brown, and white wires into the taillight housing from under your vehicle. Make sure your LED Putco taillight bar is still accessible from where you're going to be putting it. Connect the wiring using the supplied Scotch locks to the respected tail lamp wires for your designated vehicle. This should be shown to you in your instruction manual for your year, make, and model. Next, you'll be taking out your passenger side tail lamp, just the same as your driver's side. And then feed your green wire from your wiring harness behind the bumper to the passenger side tail lamp. Connect your green wire to its respected wire for your vehicle. Next, you'll be removing the 7-pin harness from your vehicle. And then feed the red and black wire from underneath your bumper and connect to your respective wires for your vehicle as well. If you have a 2015 or higher F-150 and or a 2017 or higher Super Duty, and if you have extra room for your red wiring, make sure you save 6 inches to make a bridge for later. If you don't have any of those vehicles, then you don't need to worry about it. Using electrical tape, secure your work so it's safe and secure. Remember that 6-inch wiring for your 2015 plus F150s and 2017 plus Super Duties? This next step is for you. Go under your dash on your driver's side and find the trailer tow module. Connect your 6-inch wiring to the respective wires to make a bridge. This took us a little bit to figure out, but once we got it, it was in the bag. Reconnect your tail light lamp to its wiring, turn on your vehicle, and make sure all your lighting works.
What do we got left, Joe?
Just to mount the LED light and secure all of our wires.
If everything works, clean your area with rubbing alcohol. Then apply your dual locking adhesive tape to your Putco light bar. And apply light bar to your vehicle. Make sure everything's even so it does not look a little bit funky. Next, we secured our wiring from underneath the car, making sure nothing dangles or gets in the way. Next, secure your taillights and put them back on. And then finally, secure your tailgate. And then your Putco tailgate light bar is complete. The Putco tailgate light bar is amazing. You can choose between different size light bars to fit your vehicle. Choose between bright red, amber, white, or just red and white. The 60-inch light bar includes over 2,000 LED lights, making sure that it's nice and bright for other vehicles to see you. Operates with a running vehicle, brake lights, hazard lights, and turn signals. The light bar is also waterproof, making sure it works throughout all seasons. And this is how you install it. Hopefully this helped you a bunch. And remember to keep smiling.